So this is an announcement video of a little project that I'm going to slip into our group schedule. I'll give you a hint. Do you know what it is? Hi everyone, Cristin Stom here, and we've got a very tight group schedule, but really we're going to have some time off in December, and so I'm going to slip something in because I know that our next big project we won't be able to get done in time for December anyway, because we're going to do some older projects if you've seen the group schedule. And in fact, I'll add our group schedule into this video so that you can see it. But in the meantime, I've decided I'm going to add a little something in, and no pressure, we're going to just take our time with it and enjoy the process. So I went to Hobby Lobby, and I actually have had a gift card for Hobby Lobby for like 4 years. And I finally went, because I'm just not much of a shopper. I don't have a whole lot of time to shop, but I finally went to Hobby Lobby, and look at what I found. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. It's so cute. Isn't that so cute? So, I just couldn't help myself. As soon as I saw this, I was like, we have to do the Nativity Stuffies. We just have to. So check your local Hobby Lobby. I know online these are all sold out, and several months ago they had a bigger one that was even prettier. And you might even know somebody that can make something simple, and really you don't need the stable, but I just thought it was so cute, and it inspired me that I really need to make those stuffies. I've been looking at them and going, oh, they're so cute, but when do we have time? But I think we can do it. Sorry for the sound. All right, so the Nativity Stuffies. We are going to be sponsored by My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop. One of our favorites, My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop. They do so much for us. They are letting us slip this into our group schedule. So they are going to sponsor this project. So please buy from our affiliate link here to My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop. So you just click on that link that I'm pointing to above, and then once you get there, type in Stuffies or Nativity. Probably Nativity would bring it up the quickest, but just do that. And what we need here, I'll go over the items that we need for our project. We need the Nativity Stuffies CD. This has all the designs on it. And then we also need the fabric kit. So the fabric kit, they cut this for us, okay? And it says front, backing, embellishments. It's got everything that we need to be able to make our stuffies. And you can make it with any of the sizes. So I believe there might be a small kit and a large kit, and I have the large kit. And I believe, and I haven't looked at the PDF yet, but I believe there's small, medium, and large of the stuffies. And I haven't decided what size I'm going to make yet. This little stable is really small, but I don't want small stuffies. I'm just going to use this kind of in the background for my stuffies. So I'm leaning toward either medium or large. And I'll tell you, I'm not going to make every single one and take every single photo and put that all on this tutorial. That would just take insane amount of time because there's a lot of pieces to it. I'm going to do one. I'll probably do the camel because I think that's the biggest one. I'll do one stuffy, and that should get you on your way. So the rest I'm just going to do on my own, and I can't wait to see everyone's photos. So fabric kit from our sponsor, My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop. They also sent me this felt pack, so I'm assuming we'll need that too. So the felt pack is the fall winter colors, very pretty. And this is, again, available from our sponsor, My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop. Just go to that link I gave a moment ago and type in Nativity. If this doesn't come up on the Nativity, then type in felt. Either way, it's probably on there that way too. But anyway, make sure that you're getting the CD. Look at how cute these stuffies are. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to make these. I've wanted to ever since it was released, and I just didn't think that we would have time. But we're finishing up our other December projects, and so I'm thinking we can squeeze them in. I think that that would be really, really fun and fun decorative for our houses or for a gift. It's a wonderful gift as well. So they also have the thread kit for the Nativity. I'm just going to use what we had from our previous project when we did the Nativity Bench Pillow. So I'm going to use the threads from that kit. All right, I have the big one, so I'm going to go ahead and use that, and I'll tell on the tutorial what I'm using. So there's a couple other little things that you need. You need polyfill. all right, polyfill. I will add a link here from Amazon. You might be able to find it from our sponsor too, I'm not sure, but Amazon, you can get it real quick, and it is just the polyfill to be able to fill the stuffies. Now there's one other thing I'm going to do, and it's not required, but I want my stuffies to stand up. So I bought these poly pellets. Oh, that's heavy. Oh my goodness. Poly pellets. All right. So I am going to use this to be able to fill at least half of my stuffies so that they will stand up. And I found them on Amazon. I'm going to add a link here of where you can get the poly pellets. That's what they're called. So I found one that is like a 24 ounce, I think it was. And it's got the little pouring thing that makes it easier. Or you can get the bigger one that's like 32 ounces, and it's actually a little less expensive. I think it was like $1 less expensive than the 24 ounce, but it's just a bag of them. It doesn't have the little container to easily fill them. So that's the difference. I'll add a link here for that larger bag. It's a 32 ounce bag. And again, it doesn't have that pouring spout. So the first one that I did a link to has the pouring spout. It's the 24 ounce bag. All right, so we will need that to be able to finish off our stuffies. And like I said, we're gonna do this very casual, like when we have time, no big rush. And there are several stuffies. And if we get them all done before Christmas, yay. But like I said, I'm just gonna do a tutorial on one of them. It looks like the camel is the biggest one. Isn't it so cute? Look at that. Oh my gosh, all the detail on that. So fun. So I'm gonna do these. I hope you'll join me. I wanna see photos. So let's go ahead and get started ordering our supplies from our sponsor, My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop. We wanna make sure to support our sponsors so they continue to help us out with our group projects. Oh, I have a code for you. I almost forgot. Hold on. That's funny. I went looking for it and it was right here with my stuff. I didn't realize I was on top of it and didn't know it. So anyway, we have a coupon code from our sponsor, from My Girlfriend's Quilt Shop. The coupon code is Cristin Stuffies. So CRISTINSTUFFIES from our affiliate link. Don't forget to order from our affiliate link. And what that does is it gives you $5 off. It's a coupon code, Cristin Stuffies, $5 off of the CD. The fabric kit they've already got down at the lowest price they can do it at, so they're doing it off the CD for us. All right, so $5 off of the CD to be able to buy that with our affiliate link to participate in our group project. This will be fun. I'm excited. Are you?